Hello, in front of me I've got Redmi 10A. In this video I'll show you how to add passes to Google Wallet. In the beginning, let's enter Google Wallet. Select Add a card and now enter one of the passes you would like to add to your Google Wallet account. Firstly, let's select Loyalty and select loyalty card you would like to add, for example, Payback Poland. Now you can scan your card or enter details manually. Tap Save and it's done. Let's go back and now this time select Gift Card. Similar to loyalty card, select Shop, enter card number, PIN, balance, your notes and tap Save. In the end, let's select Public Transport. And if you are able to find your public transport selected, you'll be redirected to a website where you have to finish the inside form. All of your cards will appear right here. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.